Hey everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you are safe and healthy. So again, if you're new to this channel, don't forget to watch my previous videos on the question series for INBDE or NBDE part 1. So before I continue this video, please subscribe to my YouTube channel to watch every single video that I post, and don't forget to like, comment, share this video with others if you like the content. So let's start. So the very first slide, including the next one, will show you all the answers to my previous videos unsolved questions. So please compare your answers if you have already solved those. So moving to the next slide. Moving to the third one. And the last slide with the next 5 questions with answers. Alright, so with this slide, I'm again sharing 10 unsolved questions, so please pause the video and spend some time to find the answers. I will provide the answers to all of these in my next video. So don't forget to like, comment, share this video with your colleagues or friends, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye for now.